No long chatting. Kartel, come in. DJ Mark Riddim.
Make it record. Nothing can go on without the lad in our yard. I will be the beat that one you hard.
Got me on the beat, so it's a bang.
Get the money, then the power, then the pussy don't be coward. We the fate devour, keep it pill and keep it powder. Make your mother prouder when the mansion is around her. No depend on your father, I'm like Tariq in a power. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Versace brand, no me a van, me a talk in a Italian, it's a Milan.
Come again.
Make it record, nothing can go on without the
Like, comment,
lad in
share,
our yard. I will be the beat that one you hard.
Got me on the beat, so it's a bang.
Get the money, then the power, then the pussy don't be coward. We the fate devour, keep it pill and keep it powder. Make your mother prouder when the mansion is around her. No depend on your father, I'm like Tariq in a power. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Versace brand, no me a van, me a talk in a Italian, it's a Milan. Y'all run the pussy fast, Shelly Ann. If me breed, your man have to go on, that have to ban. Weed like me have a farm, than Perian. She like than Julio, mixed with the crown.
Alright.
Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Money tree me I go plant and the seed name dollars me need, woman me want. Mount of what me put out like a warrant, bank book every than an elephant, sometimes I can't. Me ready for run me race. I'm like a watcher from in the school, member balloon, me take the chance. I'm in a sneak, log out your phone, me take the charge. Go tell the soup, go tell the side. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Versace brand, no me a van, me a talk in a Italian land. Y'all run the pussy fast, Shelly Ann. If me breed, your man have to go on, that have to ban.
Kartel is the sickest thing. Right now, if enough man they come out of prison, them couldn't do a Kartel at the right now. Kartel now sing no gun song. Man also sing Be a Vibe song. And I think it was a shot.
Eat like me have a farm than Perian. She like than Julio mixed with the crown.
Alright, watch. I like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm now going to play a song and let me tell you something, bro. I'm coming to come react to a song, bro. I'm now coming to come go on. You see me? Yeah. Like, a time and place. And some songs different, yes. You see me? When the war go on between Masicka and Tamale, then it is different. You see me? But now, this is just a vibe song, bro. This is a, you see me? Who burn them spliff, and who drink them juice, and just swallow meds and just go and build back. You see me? But may I tell you something about Kartel? I think a lot of people don't understand. You have to be a genius and you have to have some type of, not even some type, you have to have a high intelligence. You have to have high intelligence for me to do what Kartel do. Kartel, what Kartel is doing right now is something that I know for a fact 90% of dancehall cannot do. You understand? They cannot stay relevant without even making gun songs and chopper songs and them something. You see me? And Vybz Kartel is just making songs with pretty much vibes to it. You see me? Like, are just vibes. You see me? Make it so you can vibe to it. Make it so you can relate to it. And stuff like that. So, what Vybz Kartel is doing right now is something where we appreciate, you know? We would have loved to see Vybz Kartel come out and sing some gun song, yes. But right now, that I got put him under spotlight again of bad influence on the society and the kids. And you know, him I do right now, and we appreciate it. So you hear me I say now, like, comment, share, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me?